चलो लेट्स गो शुरू देखे
ओ हाँ, मुझे शुरू करना है।
बाल्टी ले रहे मेरे क्या बाल्टी ले रहे मेरे
नाइस।
बिस्कुट दे इंट्रो चल
हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एपिसोड 11 of the Adulting Podcast. Today it's once again me, your lovely beautiful host, and Saurabh, your lovely beautiful guest.
थैंक यू चल तो कैरी ऑन
अरे मेरा फ्रेम ब्लॉक हो रहा है।
पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ
हाँ हाँ, ओके। आज I have 5 keywords to throw at you, Saurabh, and you can pick किसके बारे में, कौन से बारे में बात करनी है। Success, speed, enthusiasm, seniors, and Kurt Meter.
एंड सॉरी व्हाट मीटर
Kurt Meter, कल हम बात कर रहे थे
कर्ट
ना।
मीटर ओके आई कैन पिक एनीथिंग आई डोंट नो व्हाट सक्सेस मेंट बट बाकी बात कर सकता हूँ आई डोंट नो व्हाट सक्सेस मेंट
Okay, ठीक है। Then we have 4: speed, enthusiasm, seniors, and Kurt Meter.
थ्रो एनीथिंग एट मी आई कैन टॉक
Okay, let's start with speed.
ओके स्पीड तो स्पीड पे मेरे बहुत सारे विचार हैं बहुत सारे थॉट्स हैं
हाँ
and some of these are applicable to C4E as a unit, some of these are applicable to life as a unit, and some of these are applicable to young people as a unit. And because the TG for this podcast is people who are trying to adult. Now, adulting doesn't mean people who are 18, 19, 20, 25. They could be like 55 and yet they're trying to adult. So, mota my answer in speed is one simple thing. Speed is that जिस काम को तुम एक साल में कर सकते हो, what would it take for you to crunch that into 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks or whatever. इसका ना पीटर थिल का एक कोट है, I don't know what that quote is. मिलेगा? तो वो दे दो, हुमस मिलेगा. हमस से नहीं पीता ब्रेड. देखो. नहीं सॉरी. चलेगा. स्पीड देखो. That's Vijay by the way. You can say hi to Vijay. तो पीटर थिल का एक अंशुका you can find that पीटर थिल का एक quote है that if you had 10 years to do something, what would it take for you to do stuff the same thing in 6 months? And then
Right.
there is a corollary on top of it which says that anything that defies the laws of physics probably will be difficult, but anything that is not physics wise impossible can be done faster. Now this is a tenet that I want each of your adults to imbibe into. But इसमें ना बहुत सारे threads actually I'm not prepared but I can give you thread like there is a thread I'll open up called tab that I'll open up called Moore's law. Now back Moore M-O-O-R-E
Oh, okay.
Gordon Moore.
हाँ.
तो मूर लॉ बोलता था कि हर 18 महीने में स्पीड ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग डबल हो जाती है
Yes.
तो it reaches a certain point. Now मूर लॉ is no longer valid because we've reached a point wherein it is not just doubling in 18 months but it is going I don't know how many x in one fraction of that time. The point was that things will change and things will change faster and from here on things will change super fast. Like for example, thanks to the advancements in AI, they are saying that the scientific research that had to be done that took hundreds of years to do can now be crunched into like a few days because of the fact that AI and large language models can actually process more data better. Plus the fact that they एक time था जब serial computing होती थी, now there is the era of quantum computing wherein multiple processes can run at the same time. So what happens is that the amount of time required for experimentation is far less. Now, as an adult, as a person trying to adult, you no longer have the luxury of waiting for 3 years to get a degree. In fact, I'll be surprised. We should mark this AK and you should do a 5-year bet on this. My sense is that the degrees that take for 3 years to happen will probably get crunched into 1-year degrees or even shorter degrees if education system survives 5 years.
My college just extended a degree to a 4-year course now.
Which is fine. They must have done it because of admission criteria for the US universities with 12 plus 2 plus 4, 10 plus 2 plus 4 जो उनका criteria होता है. But point is, the education that was being imparted to you will become far faster. You will see a lot more examples of young people doing super great things. Like people of the ages of 18 to 20 will build businesses that are as big as people who will be building at 30s. One example in India is obviously Zepto, wherein the founder has remained 19 years for last 19 years now. I mean, back in the day, मेरे ज़माने में जोक था Shahid Afridi never grew up beyond the age of 19. Like every time Shahid Afridi would hit a new record, he would be 19, 20 in that age group. Pakistan was notorious for reducing the ages of players to like lower numbers. I don't know why they did that. Somebody who's interested in cricket can read that. Kaushik will know this fact. Anyhow, coming back. So speed is going to be a superpower going forward. Now, like I said, AK multiple tabs, right? Tab number 1 I said Peter Thiel. Tab number 2 is Moore's law. Tab number 3 is whatever can be done physics first. वो एक conversation है. इसी में speed एक और चीज़ है like इसका this is the point in favor of speed. Now look at the point against the argument of speed. People say that when you go fast you can break things. People say that when you go fast you do not know where you're going. When you go fast you may actually do a shoddy job. All those conversations are there. But here is the thing, in my opinion, and again this is Saurabh's opinion, valid for Saurabh as an individual and not valid for universally application, is that अगर तुम कोई चीज़ें create करते हो ना और तोड़ते हो, the entire intent of doing it, breaking it also gives you some bit of a lesson that is very very tough to otherwise acquire. जो तुम academically पढ़ोगे, तुमने 50 किताबें पढ़ ली हैं, बट तुमने एक बार कुछ एंड टू एंड कर लिया ना, तो द लेसन दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम दैट वन टाइम एंड टू एंड इज फार मोर देन व्हाट यू वुड डू बाय रीडिंग 50 बुक्स.
Oh, even if you end up failing, that's
you will most probably fail.
Right.
मतलब this podcast is our, I don't know, 100th attempt at building podcast series, but now with each recording we are getting better. We invested in assets in terms of mic and camera and पता नहीं क्या क्या. So each iteration made us better. So entire idea is we should do better. Another tab I'll open. आज सुबह मैं Twitter पे देख रहा था, नवल का एक ट्वीट नहीं, उसका क्रिस वाला इंटरव्यू में था, that it's not about 10,000 hours, but it's about 10,000 iterations, married to what Visak says in terms of 100 things. And remember my riff on that 100 things. That instead of doing 100 things, you should do one thing 100 times.
I think that's what he meant. Do something 100 times.
Right?
Yeah.
नवल से आज ने बोला, नवल का आज मैंने दिखाया, तो मैं भेजा मैंने कि वो बोल रहा है कि 10,000 घंटे नहीं चाहिए. मतलब मैल्कम ग्लैडवेल का 10,000 hour rule is not important. Important is that you do the same thing 10,000 times so that
and get
next
better
time
at
is better.
it. Try to do better
yeah.
each time.
So speed means that can you do those 10,000 things in like 1 hour, in 1 day, in 1 year. मतलब think of juggling, think of cricket, think of any hobby. मतलब imagine it should become so ingrained to you that it is muscle memory, that you can just do it. Like that's what speed should be. Now that is rant on speed. How do you bring speed into our work and lives is a more applicable question. So one of the things that I live with is a thing called Ready Fire Aim. I do not know where I read this first, but for me, if I am not killing anybody, if I'm not making a life or death conversation, or if I'm not risking anybody's life, I want to ship it. And worst case में क्या होगा? I will be judged कि तो कचरा content में बनाया या तुमने कचरा create किया. I'm okay with that because that कचरा allows me to show that proof to the world and build some sort of a support structure for that. Like when people see तुमने कुछ किया है ना, the world opens more doors. एक होता है सिर्फ बोलता रहता है, एक होता है जो करता है, करके फेल होता है. दुनिया उसको सपोर्ट करती है जो करके फेल होता है और जो करके गिरता है. Obviously you will become a laughing stock for the entire world. But imagine it's your life, man. It's not about getting hindered by the fact कि कोई मेरे ऊपर हंसेगा. वो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Idea is that how do you build more assets for yourself? How do you build more proof for yourself? That is such an important component. Now in terms of speed, often in my experience, what I've experienced at C4E, when people are slow, when I tell them और तेज करो, typically they are slow because they are afraid कि वो जल्दी काम करेंगे, काम खराब हो जाएगा, और उसका personal penalty उनके ऊपर होगा. Sorry, penalty will be personal. Sorry. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुमने एक क्लाइंट के लिए प्रोजेक्ट किया, क्लाइंट ने पैसे नहीं दिए, तो जो लॉस होगा, मोस्ट पीपल आर अफ्रेड कि वो लॉस पर्सनली जेब से डालना पड़ेगा. आई एम सेइंग इफ देयर कुड बी वर्क प्लेसेस दैट एनकरेज कि तुम क्लाइंट के लिए काम कर रहे हो ना, जो भी लॉस होगा वो कंपनी भरेगी. my sense is that people will be far faster. At least at C4E we encourage that. I tell people कि तुम्हें काम करो, लॉस होगा तो होने दो, कंपनी will take care of that. That's my way of helping people adult. So that's one fear. Second fear is the fear of judgment. एक तो फाइनेंशियल लॉस हो गया. सेकंड, इफ यू डू समथिंग दैट इज स्टूपिड, द क्लाइंट में येल एट यू, एंड इफ द क्लाइंट येल्स एट यू, द बॉस में येल एट यू, एंड द बॉस येल्स एट यू, योर चांसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ इन द ऑर्ग एंड द चांसेस ऑफ एंड द अपॉर्चुनिटीज यू गेट कुड गेट लिमिटेड. अगेन, कैन यू क्रिएट वर्क प्लेसेस वेर इन दीज थिंग्स आर एनकरेज कि मतलब तुम गलती करो, रिपीट मत करो, बट आगे बढ़ते रहो एंड आगे चीज़ें क्रिएट करो. So that's second. The third thing is you're often waiting for the perfect information, or you're doing perfection ka chasing. Now here is the thing. One of my biggest gurus in life, I will not name him. उनका WhatsApp status है. If you cannot bring, ऐसा कुछ है कि if you cannot bring perfection, I don't want to talk to you. You know, I lived 7 years of my life chasing to be perfect, and I realized that in chase of perfection, I was not doing shit. मतलब मैं कोशिश कर रहा था कि बिल्कुल ही बढ़िया हो, बिल्कुल ही अच्छा हो, सब कुछ बिल्कुल टिच हो, मतलब वो नहीं हो पा रहा था, वो नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज परफेक्शन चीज़ नहीं कर सकते. एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग आई हैव इम्परफेक्शंस दैट हैव बीन बिल्ट इनटू मी फ्रॉम the physiological and biological standpoint. I am a bald man, and if I were to look perfect in terms of the definition of the world, I would never be able to even step out and talk to people with confidence. Today I have embraced that imperfection and say कि भाई मैं तो ऐसे हूँ, देख लो तुम्हें क्या करना है, right? तो point is, right बोला मैंने एक पहली बार बोला, wow, I've changed. I don't know how many minutes we are in the podcast, but I can't see how many minutes we are in. Is that recording?
It is recording.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
10
I just
minutes in
can't
the
see because
10
I'm
minutes.
blind.
10 minutes. No, it's not blind because color is merging into it.
Yeah,
So we
yeah,
had 10 minutes in the recording and then right पहले बोला wow. So that's win for Saurabh. Anyways, so perfection ना कभी बनता ही नहीं है bro. And even a Sachin is not perfect. Like think of the epitome of achievements in your life, from a Picasso to a Leo da Vinci to a Sachin to a Virat Kohli to your personal hero. I do not know who your personal hero is. Like Anjum sir, मेरे writing के गुरु जो मैं मानता हूँ उनको. अंजुम सर बोलते हैं कि मैंने 15-16 पिक्चर लिखी है और उनमें से एक ही सक्सेसफुल हुई है. तो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज नो guarantee that each thing that you do will do well. But if he had stopped after the first one, he would never be able to write the 15th. And for Sachin, if he got out on duck in the first test innings, would he ever go out and play the next inning? Answer is no. So the entire idea is that keep doing, keep shipping, perfection chase मत करो. So that's the third thing. So coming back, I'll recap. A, you fear कि loss तुम्हारा होगा. You fear reputation. You fear perfection. Next, you fear, you wait for the right information to come to you. I mean, big deal, man. Right information.
What do you mean by right information?
तेरे को आज एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मेरे को आज मेरे को एक क्लाइंट को इनवॉइस भेजना था. माय टीम मेंबर डिडंट सेंड द इनवॉइस बिकॉज़ ही वांटेड टू वेट फॉर द राइट आंसर फ्रॉम मी एंड दे केप्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट and they didn't send it for like 4 weeks, and in exchange what happened is that we as a company lost money for 4 weeks. Now what is the worst that would have happened if he had sent the invoice with the wrong numbers?
We told
The client would have said तुमने गलत भेजा है.
हाँ.
हम दोबारा बनाते हैं, but at least वो आगे तो बढ़ता. उनके दिमाग में तो आता कुछ भेजा है, वो अर्जेंसी तो आती. अभी तो ब्लाइंड है, दे मतलब आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड, आई हैव फॉरगॉटन इट. सो राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन मे टेक फॉरएवर. एक ही अपने साथ एक और चीज हुई थी. मैंने किसी को बोला था कि डोंट वेट फॉर मी टू गिव यू. तेरे को बोला था कि मैंने
मुझे बोला
व्हाट वाज
था
दैट एग्जांपल?
we were supposed to, so I had to make a plan for brand C4E. उसमें CSS was a thing. I was waiting to get your thoughts
on that Veda conversation.
on the Veda
Yes.
conversation before we planned the
Yes.
next one. So you told me कि don't wait for me, make the plan with what you know right now, and if new input comes, it comes, and then move
Now
forward.
imagine same cheese. Now apply all these 4 things I told you in this. Now if you did the session without my planning, you would have lost the money, which is okay. You would have lost the reputation, which is okay. You would have lost. You would have missed the opportunity to plan the event well because you didn't know the venue. Thank you. That's okay. एक coke और लेके आना है. Correct that. And the last thing is that because of the waiting for the right information, you didn't even make it happen. Otherwise हम कर सकते थे. Like for example,
Correct.
later you start, later you'll have the outcome. So I'm going to eat as well. Cheers to hummus.
Cheers to me.
प्लेट नहीं है, hummus. कोक चाहिए, प्लेट नहीं चाहिए.
क्या हुआ?
मच्छर है वहाँ पे.
Oh.
बोल नेक्स्ट.
ठीक है, इतना ही. Do you have more on this? Why do
Yeah.
people not do things as to speak? हाँ.
I'm hungry, sorry. Okay, on speed, I'm saying, think of this outcome as 2 places. One, it'll go for the world on the adulting conversation. Second, it'll be read by C4E folks. Did you with the next? Sorry folks, I'm hungry. Take it and let me eat. Indoors.
Sure.
If you can see this and if you can see my tapping on the table, please prevent me from it. Please save me from AK. This content will be seen by 2 set of people. Adulting Junta at large. And second,
Our folks at C4.
C4 Junta.
Yes.
Okay, here is my mandate for C4 Junta.
Okay.
If you're waiting for anything, whatever task you are on, whatever project you are on, whatever work you're doing, if you're waiting for something, information, input, advice, approval, money, conversation, idea, do not wait. कर दो. Ready, fire, aim. मतलब तुम्हें पैसे चाहिए, आंख बंद करके खर्च कर दो. Each of you has the ability to spend money. Each of you has a credit card that I've given to all of you. You can spend money without thinking twice about it. If somebody is not giving information, you inform them. Bro, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, तेरे को बुरा लगता है लगने दे, तेरा डिपार्टमेंट है कोई बात नहीं, बट मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, मैं तेरे को इन्फॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. If you want to intervene, this is the time. Otherwise, move on. In fact, we should make a sticker of "Don't wait" or ऐसा कुछ.
I just made a
I know, I
sticker.
saw that and say that. मेरी आंखें बहुत तेज चलती है. चाचा चौधरी का दिमाग कंप्यूटर से तेज होता है.
नहीं
You know
पढ़ी
this?
है मैंने.
You don't know this?
It wasn't a thing when I was growing up.
जब साबू को गुस्सा आता है तो कहीं जुपिटर पे ज्वालामुखी फटता है. फाइन. अनकल्चर्ड बच्चे हमारे. कभी बात. So C4E में किसी चीज़ के लिए वेट मत करो. Like anything that you have to wait for is a red flag. In fact ये सोचो कि next time you have to wait somebody, immediately flag off कि मैं इस चीज़ के लिए इसके लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ and not wait. मतलब तुम्हें रिपोर्ट बनानी है, क्लाइंट को भेजना है.
हाँ.
वो था ना मुहावरा था, एक और टैब खुल गया. काल करे सो आज करे, आज करे सो अब, पल में परले होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब. It's that fucking simple, man. मतलब time is the biggest asset and the biggest enemy that we have. We need to be able to know that. And you know एक और चीज़ मेरे को मेरे एक बहुत अच्छे दोस्त ने बोली थी. He's a filmmaker, अंशुल त्रिवेदी क्यों बोल रहा, अंशुल तिवारी. He said जब इंसान की उम्र 30 से नीचे होती है ना, तो उसको लगता है कि उसकी उम्र बढ़ रही है. उसके पास इनफाइनाइट टाइम होता है. मतलब उसको लगता है कि अभी तो 80 साल की उम्र में मरने वाला हूँ, तो 50 साल 70 साल है, उसको पता नहीं चलता. बट 30 के बाद लाइफ घटती है. आई एम सेइंग, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू स्केयर यू, बट टाइम ना ऐसे उड़ता है. आई एम फकिंग 42 और मुझे लगता है कल तो साला मैं कॉलेज में घुसा था MDI में. आज मैं 42 साल का हो गया, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि क्या क्या किया मैंने. टाइम फ्लाइज मैन. मतलब इट डजंट वेट फॉर एनीबडी. व्हाई वुड यू वेट फॉर समबडी टू गिव यू आंसर फॉर दैट?
That's interesting. I should write this, document this whole thing for our people.
We'll do private podcast for our people.
Okay, cool.
इसमें मैं नॉन पोलाइट बातें करूँगा.
So you were talking about how do we bring speed into our lives. The first thing you said was ready, fire, aim, and then we got into what are few reasons people don't ready, fire, aim.
Yeah.
What else does one do, if anything at all, other than this, to bring speed in our lives?
Philosophical answer, but try to not give yourself reasons why you cannot do it. अभी मैं टायर्ड हूँ, अभी मेरे को जिम जाना है, अभी मेरे को शादी में जाना है, कल से तुम्हारी छुट्टी है, आज से क्या फ़ायदा होगा, मैं करूँगा तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. यू ऑफन गिव योर सेल्फ स्टोरीज एंड एक्सक्यूजेज बिफोर यू डू थिंग्स एंड दे बिकम थिंग्स दैट यू हाइड बिहाइंड. मैं नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मेरा लैपटॉप ख़राब था. अरे ब्रो, इमेजिन इफ यू हैड टू, पार्डन माय लैंग्वेज, if you're somebody in the family was unwell and you had to send a medical report and laptop was not working, what would you do? Would you say the laptop was not working? You will find a laptop, you will make a way, you will find a solution. That मतलब work has the same urgency and importance as other things in a personal life have. If you're graduating tomorrow and your graduation certificate depends on you reaching there at 5 a.m., would you not be there at 5 a.m.? You often are late for meetings, but if you have flight, you will reach there on time for flight, no?
Right, yeah.
How do you do that? The most perennially late people are always on time at the airport. Why and how? It's a mystery. I don't know the answer. You have an exam, you show up at the exam on time, but to conduct a meeting, you don't come. Why? What's stopping you? What is the roadblock? Because same person reaching somewhere on time is possible. Correct?
Correct, yes.
So, actually speed and punctuality marry हो गया, but yeah.
Got it.
Ask me one question.
On speed, nothing else. Do you have any thoughts? Any other?
Yeah.
Good.
On speed, I want you people to come and tell me what can I do at C4E or in life to enable you to move faster. Okay, actually question to you. What can I do to enable you to move faster? Let's say आज सुबह हमने meditation का idea निकाला एक.
हाँ.
What can I do to make it go faster for you?
I don't think, मतलब ये है हमारे habit में, पर हम follow नहीं करते. If we got an idea today, it's there. The second we get an idea, we should put it on a calendar. Right? So अगर आज सुबह हमने meditation का बात किया, you have told me कि चल next product or next startup for us is meditation products. Can we put a calendar invite next week at any given time of the day saying कि इस दिन हम अपना सारा thought dump करेंगे और बात
Do it.
करेंगे
No.
about meditation products.
Do it now.
Should I just do it for everybody?
Yeah. What is you mean, Chambi?
21st को कर रही हूँ मैं.
You see your travel calendar.
I don't know where I will be, but I'm putting it for now, and if it changes, it changes.
Yeah.
Meditation products. We will build a business on this. Come with everything you can. That's the brief. So I think, yeah, this should be helpful.
What else?
Um, Done. Okay. What else can we do to move things faster?
So let's talk about the specific example of meditation products.
Or meditation only? अगर आज आइडिया आया है तो the second we get an idea, I think it will be helpful to send a message out in the world कि भाई अब हम meditation products बनाएंगे. And anybody who has thoughts, experience, can we talk to you, connect with you, get your opinion. I don't know, but like just start talking to more people the second we have that. Maybe that would be some momentum in that idea gathering stage only. So that
Okay.
also if we're talking about it allows us to, क्योंकि अगर हमने बनाना शुरू किया तो हमें लोग चाहिए होंगे, टीम चाहिए होगा, some level of expertise हम ढूंढना शुरू करेंगे. फिर हमें पता चलेगा कि ओ हमारे पास टीम ही नहीं है, फिर हम हायर करने का वेट करेंगे, etc etc etc, right?
So what is momentum?
Yes.
How do you build momentum?
Wait, I'll write it first.
So with each project, each conversation,
हाँ जी.
how do you build momentum? In fact, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था स्पीड के बारे में. Some VC had said there is no bigger force multiplier in the world
Than momentum.
than momentum, and I was like, my mind like went poof. You fuck. ऐसा
That
नहीं
day he told me this exact statement 3 times in a day, and then I tweeted it.
था. Yeah, it's correct.
But it's true. I know. Yes.
This is
correct.
sponsored by March Tea. No, they're not sponsored, but yeah, coming back. So yeah, tell me more. So great. So A, calendar नहीं है. B, conversation momentum नहीं है. What else?
Calendar चाहिए, momentum चाहिए. Okay, let me think what happens if we get of a
Okay,
get an idea.
audience के लिए, tell us what stops you from chasing things with speed. Why is it that you are not able to operate with speed when you know that our time, our energy, our सब कुछ is limited? Why do you not chase things with speed? What makes you slow down? Obviously, sir, there are some people who want to take a easy life. We met our friend the other day. यहाँ पे बैठ के, he is very okay with taking an easy life, which is fine for him, but not for me, man. The
Yeah.
man with the
Right.
yeah. So that's okay, which is fine.
Another thing is overall prioritization, right? अगर हमने आज meditation products decide किया, right? Next week is our call. अगर वो call नहीं होती तो पता नहीं कब होती. Now we know कि next week 21st को call होगा. 21st को हम decide करते हैं कि ये कितना important है हमारे लिए, and then we prioritize it in our calendar.
Okay.
That priority we need to know कि वो कितना important है and what do we deprioritize for it, right? वो नहीं है as a habit for us to decide कि what do we drop for it and what do we not
Nikhil,
drop for it.
when we do the office call, and every Tuesday, whenever we do that office call,
हाँ.
we will go through all the list of projects and then keep shuffling the priority. That's your answer.
हाँ.
Cool.
Yes. Then let's say that day we know कि हमारे पास क्या plan है और हम क्या करने वाले हैं. Next step would be to execute it.
Absolutely.
तो वो execute करने के लिए हमें टीम चाहिए होगा. Who is in, who is not in. वो easy होता है.
उसमें
We start
ultimate
doing
nuance.
it.
This
Then
is
we
what
miss.
C4E.
हाँ.
So this is nuance for C4E. C4E is a people first company. What that means is कि तेरे घर पे छुट्टी है, तेरे घर पे शादी है, तेरे को travel करना है, तू बीमार है, तो we will pause the project for you to get back. That's a shift I want to bring at C4E, and this is something that I want to inculcate in everybody here. That all this while we've run as a people first business, I want to now become a ideas first business. What that means is that my loyalty is to ideas and to shipping, not to people. People are important part of it. If they are left behind, they are left behind, bro. We will, take care of those people, but I will not be stopped because of you and your chutti. Like for example, labs mein one of your team members is traveling, and because of that, the lab seems to be stuck. Why? Always find backup. मतलब अंशिका मेरा तो thought है कि why can't I find a backup for you as well? Like you're traveling for a month or 2 months or whatever, 2 weeks. Work cannot stop. I know you are responsible enough to like do that work once in a while. But my work cannot stop. What is the backup for Saurabh? Tomorrow Saurabh dies in an accident. C4E cannot die tomorrow. Matlab, there is like a set of people that depend on C4E today. Clients, team, people, ecosystem. It cannot die because Saurabh ceases to exist. So the thought here is that you need to be able to find, build things that are projects first, outcome first, and not people first. There's a shift that I want to make in my management style at C4E and in everything I do. Plus, I want to train my people into becoming that, right? Like right now, from whatever I know, all of my people at C4E are very people first. I want to tell them that people first is great, but project has to be the primary loyalty, and then obviously we'll take care of people. We will not throw people out and we will not use them as tools or whatever, but we will want to be ensuring that shipping happens first. But today whatever I have is only because I was able to ship things and clients were able to trust me and put their faith into me, and then that happened not just because of speed but with the ability of shipping things and delivering things. That.
Noted.
Next question.
No, I have a next thing to add to that list.
Hukum kare.
How to make it faster. Which is that, I'll give you an example.
Yes, bolo.
हमने Femela करना और बनाना शुरू करा, right? Now, we started. हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करा.
Thank you.
हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करा, हमने बहुत सारा content करा. We talked to a couple of really interesting people who could help us actually bring it to life. Then we faced some issues in the middle. With that particular set of people जिसके साथ हम उस वक्त execute करने का सोच रहे थे, things didn't work out. And somewhere along the lines we dropped the ball on it. ठीक है? We still have clarity on why we didn't do it. But was it at all not possible for us to?
Okay.
Was it?
Can you read that? No, you can't read that.
Was it at all not possible for us to do it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Correct? हो सकता था ना?
Absolutely.
अगर हम उस पर लगे रहते.
Absolutely.
वो resilience नहीं होता हमारे पास. जब भी हम set out करते हैं, हमारे पास insane plans होते हैं कि हम Femela करेंगे, उसका IP बनाएंगे, उसको हम 5 cities में करेंगे, etc. वो के बाद we also need to have the first milestone that we are working towards. अगर वो first milestone नहीं है, तो एक तो explore करते करते तुम्हें पता नहीं कि तुम किस चीज़ के लिए काम कर रहे हो.
हाँ, बोलता रहे.
तो वो first milestone is important. Like having small milestones in the middle is important while you're working towards a big goal, because अगर नहीं पता ना किसके लिए what are you chasing, then
हाँ ठीक है.
then you drop or get lost.
The answer is simple.
And then clarity नहीं होती.
No, I just give the answer. Answer is people first. We are a people first company. So for example, in case of Femela, forget about the partner that we are working with. Femela didn't happen not because of the partner, but because of our own internal challenges.
Correct. That's what resilience is. We stopped chasing
Chandni busy
it.
है, मैं busy हूँ, तो we didn't do it.
Correct.
The point is, moment it becomes a people की जगह project first kind of a conversation, you are no longer important, Anshika. Femela would have, like in my head, I said Femela will not happen if Anshika is not doing it.
Correct.
And then she got busy with the exams and life and health and pata nahi kya kya, and I didn't do it.
हाँ.
I'm saying if I could say that Femela will happen, come what may, if Anshika is not around in my life, I will do Femela.
Right.
It would have happened. It would have happened in probably a fraction of a manner.
हाँ, तो वो हमने नहीं किया.
So that's a shift you need to bring. In fact, if you notice in the last 3 years that you've been staying, you have been
around it
with me,
with
with C4E, with me, not with me, but C4E.
Yeah.
You would have seen that I operate from people first lens always.
Yes, correct.
And I am now trying to change that to be able to build a project outcome idea first kind of a culture, which is tough one because obviously हम एक तरीके से train हो चुके हैं, culture बन चुका है, वो change करना difficult है. Contrasted to companies that are idea first, वहाँ पर लोगों की मारी जाती है, लोग बेचारे सैड रहते हैं कि अरे यार मेरे को पैसे नहीं मिलते, मेरे को टाइम पे नहीं मिलता, बॉस ये है, बॉस वो है. तो the right balance is somewhere in between people and outcome and people and process. But I'm saying I've seen the goods and the bads of building a people first company. I want to now experience the goods and the bads of building an idea first company, and probably the truth will be somewhere in the middle, wherein it will be a marriage of people and ideas. I do not know what the right outcome would be. Maybe it's about idea first, but in that idea first, people will not be used as an accessory, but will be used as a core thinking 10x. I'll also give another underrated thing. Chandni is working with a new contractor now for a project that we're doing, and that contractor seemed extremely promising when we started working with that person in the first few interactions. Now she's, pardon my genderification, that person is no longer as cool, and that person is only partying and doing I don't know what in Goa, so काम नहीं हो रहा है. Now Chandni was question was that how do I get out of the relationship because we have agreed to pay that person a large chunk of money. So उस project का 30% पैसा हम उसको दे रहे हैं. Now that's a large percentage of a project. Now Chandni saying how do I escape that? And the answer is simple. The next time when I build this, I will say that I will pay you on milestone. Instead of agreeing to a lump sum project, I will break that into A, B, C, D or whatever. I will pay you A, I will pay you B, I will pay you C, and the day you fall, the day you drop the ball, you're out of my contract and all deals are off. So maybe for Fivela also, like Anshika example, I would say that Fivela करने के लिए आज से लेके 100 दिन का plan है. The day you drop the ball, after giving you 2, 3, 4, 5 whatever number of warnings, I will tell you bro तुझसे नहीं हो रहा तो एक काम कर तू bet, you will enjoy the proceeds, but Fivela has to happen as a C4E property. You're free to join whenever you want to. पूजा की चप्पल, वो चप्पल तेरी है उसके ऊपर. You can come back and take it. But did you earn it? In fact, that brings me to one more thing, and this is a C4E conversation actually. -1, 0 and 1 wala conversation that I often tell to Chandni. I don't know if I've told you.
No.
Like if I meet somebody new for the first time,
Yes.
I have zero context with that person. So that person starts at the 0 level of trust with me.
Right.
And then उसके बाद depending on their interactions, behavior, outcome and all of that, either they become +1 or -1. There are a lot of people that I tell you कि इसके दोबारा काम नहीं करेंगे because experience bad है. So 0 से -1 हो जाता है. On the other hand, if you have been with me for 3 years and you are a fucktard, you are at -1. So to first come to 0, you have to put in effort, and from 0 you have to go to make more effort to go to +1. So you are at a disadvantage if you know me already, because I have already have a judgment. You already have a judgment of Saurabh. Either it's a 0, it's a -1 or a +1. You already have a judgment of a Chandni. You already have a judgment of a Kaushik. You already have a judgment of each person that you work. Even your DD people. Like I remember one of the DD people wanted to work with C4E on a full-time basis after that person passed out. I knew -1 है, तो मैंने उसको encourage नहीं किया. भाई अगर वो रैंडम मेरे को मेल करती ना कि मेरे को काम करना है, तो उसका प्रोफाइल देख के, इंटरनेट देख के, लिंक्डइन देख के बोलता है ये तो बढ़िया चीज़ है, 0 है, चलो बात करते हैं. तो बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैड, इट वाज अ -1. आई डिडंट वांट टू encourage that person to work. One of your classmates from NMS wrote into me and said today कि मैं 1 साल से काम कर रही हूँ और मुझे अब चेंज करना है, and tell me what can I do for you. And I said I look around because I know मेरे लिए वो -1 है. तो point of this matter is that people may if you, so coming back to what I was saying, if you start a project at C4E, and this is what C4E folks obviously, and this is true in most cases to be honest, if you start a project at C4E and you drop the ball somewhere in the middle at let's say 3 days, like let's say 10 step का problem है, 3rd step you drop the ball, you're no longer a 0 bro, you are a -1. And then to earn that chappal space well back, you have to first come to 0 and then earn it. Like वो games में होता है ना that you start the game from level 0. There are some games that you hate because moment you lose at the 4th level, you still start from the 1st level and then you are like fuck, what the
Snakes
fuck?
and ladders.
Snakes and ladders, you still come back.
You come back to 0, not -1.
No, you also come back to like let's say Snakes and ladders. You are on 15th peg and you could drop down to 15th peg. You don't drop to 0.
Yes.
Imagine Mario खेल रही है तो Mario में जब भी तू मरी you go to 1-1 word 1-1 word 1-1 पे आ गए. मतलब imagine that will be such. Imagine college में you miss one class in college and they put you in the first year of college. How bad that would be for you. So that is what I want to build. कि वो treadmill है, अपना काम करते रहो. You'll be at 0. I'm okay if you're at 0. I'm okay if you're at +1. But when you slide to -1, it becomes a problem. And this has to be like a thing which is lot more non-emotional. अभी मेरे को लग vibes आ रहे हैं कि लड़की काम नहीं कर रही है. But what if she's working hard and she's not showing me? So how do I make it more? How do I make it more tangible? You got this?
Yeah, I got it.
So now, and इसमें we should be able to judge people on the basis of speed. I'm not saying कि outcome. देख फीमेला करना है, फीमेला करने के लिए अपने को करोड़ रुपया चाहिए, अपने को 15 स्पीकर चाहिए, 15 मेन्यू चाहिए. कल को फीमेला में -50 लाख का लॉस हो गया. I will not judge Anshika on 50 लाख का लॉस on फीमेला. I will judge Anshika on the fact that फीमेला हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, स्पीड में किया कि नहीं किया, हमने 15 लोगों से बात करी कि नहीं की, लोग आए कि नहीं आए. So the judgment is never on the impact or the results of it. Judgment is on the outcome of it. Do you understand the difference? Actually, that's the fourth that we can add to our metric, AK. Input, output, outcome, impact. Think of it like that.
Okay.
Input, output, outcome, impact.
What do you mean? What's the difference between outcome and impact?
Outcome is event हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, event कैसा हो रहा है, and impact is उस event से हमने पैसे कमाए, इज्जत कमाई, क्या कमाया. So emotional layer of outcome. I don't know the answer. मतलब we're still building it.
मतलब
right? As a business.
Outcome is always meant हुआ या नहीं हुआ. And what?
जो करना था वो नहीं. Output is हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. So okay, let me give an example. I tell you to write a blog post for me.
Yes.
Input is तूने 2 घंटे बैठ के काम किया.
Yes.
That's input. Output is blog post रेडी है कि नहीं है.
हाँ.
आउटकम इज ब्लॉग पोस्ट छपा कि नहीं छपा, मतलब वो एक्चुअल एग्जीक्यूशन हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, कहाँ गया वो. एंड इम्पैक्ट इज दैट ब्लॉग पोस्ट गिव मी 3 invites to speaking opportunities at, I don't know, I'm just making it up. What is the impact of the blog post? Outcome and impact is a blurry place to be at, but if we define it finer, chop it finer, we can find impact का answer. So can we not run with speed? Like for example, अभी हमने Femila की बात करी. अंशिका, here's a challenge for you. Can we do Femila in this year?
This year?
October में कर सकते हैं Femila. Let's see. Let's challenge you. By the way, ladies and gents,
November में कर सकते हैं. October में हमारा वेन्यू थोड़ा ब्लॉक होता है.
कौन सा नहीं ब्लॉक होता तुम्हारा?
जियो वर्ल्ड गार्डन.
नहीं, वेदा में कर लेंगे, छोटा कर लेंगे. कौन बोलता है कि तेरे को 100 गुना करना है?
ठीक है, छोटा कर.
Today is what May, I don't know what May.
14th of May 2025.
So अंशिका, तेरे को 6 महीने का चैलेंज है. 14 मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, 14 अक्टूबर. Can you do Female at 14 अक्टूबर?
ठीक है.
That's your challenge.
ठीक है.
Ladies and gents, presenting to you Female 14 October. एक is like what the
2.0.
fuck?
Can I call it? No, I don't.
You can call it -1.
Oh no.
That's your answer.
Internally okay.
Fine. So that's, ladies and gentlemen, speed. Founder mode, bro.
रुको, wait, sorry. इसको भी कैलेंडर पे डालेंगे.
इससे पहले ग्लास छोड़ेगी तो ये. मेरी चाय को क्या?
रुको.
I'm going to check my chai. No, wait, you will see my sexy ass if I do that.
Nobody cares. Literally nobody cares.
सानिल, मेरी चाय बोली थी मैंने. बनाई नहीं बनाई? नहीं. विजय को बोली थी मैंने. चेक करना. चल.
अरे मैं कर रही हूँ.
I can see Anshika scrolling Twitter. FYI, ladies and
No,
gentlemen.
no, I'm literally on my calendar. Hello.
Hi.
रुको, wait. I am editing my invite. Femala 2025 is now on our calendars. I'll change it to 22nd. Done.
By 14th is Saturday, no?
By
14th October.
Saturday. हाँ, first, hello, momentum. कहाँ गया?
Point
ये.
नहीं. 14th October क्या है?
14th अक्टूबर नहीं पता क्या है.
चेक करना. उस दिन इवेंट करना है ना देखो.
तो
Is it a Saturday?
उससे क्या हो? मतलब
Saturday
हाँ, मुझे
करेंगे
पता है क्या होता है. 14 October is a Tuesday.
So let's do it on 12th October. No, 12th नहीं, 10th October.
12th October.
10th.
10th October. Friday. 10 to 12. Weekend.
We have a date. Block your calendars.
Okay. ठीक है, done. Cool है.
Step 2. Let's
ये
block
गंदा
Veda
है
Kumba.
नीचे.
Step 2. Let's block Veda.
14.
If I don't go for dinner today, I'll go meet Sampath and block it.
कॉल करके भी ब्लॉक कर सकते, पर
नहीं,
सबको को समझाना
we have
पड़ेगा.
to concept sell.
क्या कर भाई?
We have to sell the concept.
यस. अरे हमारे पास डेक भी है.
Sampath doesn't care about that. He cares about money.
ठीक है, समझ गई. इनपुट, आउटपुट, आउटकम, स्पीड, मोमेंटम की बात कर रहे थे. हाउ टू मूव फास्टर
So
ऑन
yeah,
प्रोजेक्ट्स
that's speed, ladies and gents. Next topic पे करते हैं.
ठीक है, बस इतना ही है. मतलब स्पीड पे इतना ही है. आई हैव मोर ऑब्वियसली.
Wow, that was first topic.
यस.
और क्या टॉपिक था बता.
स्पीड कर लिया. एंथुसियाज्म.
सक्सेस क्या था? एक फोटो सक्सेस थिंग.
सक्सेस वाज कनेक्टेड टू एंथुसियाज्म. सर के बोल.
Okay.
सॉरी.
स्पीड, एंथुसियाज्म.
सीनियर्स एंड कर्ट मीटर.
ठीक है. What time is it? How much time do you have?
We are at 6:40. We have 20 minutes.
ठीक है.
By your calendar, 7:30 तक कर सकते हैं. I don't know
नहीं,
when
I
you
will go at 6:55. बस.
Oh,
2
then
मिनट
we
बाद.
have 15 minutes.
So let's do Kurt Peter.
Okay.
Okay, आज and you can start as a new episode. So बस भाइयों बहनों, आज का स्पीड का एपिसोड खत्म हुआ. शॉर्ट स्वीट स्पीडी एपिसोड. No, you do the outro. You are the host. I'm the guest.
Oh God, drama. That's it actually. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any thoughts, questions, complaints, comments, etc., you can write to me.
Follow me on Twitter @Saurabh.
Last episode you said I don't want to be written into.
मतलब I will please write it to me. What the fuck? चलो bye.